I finally got a fish. Hang on, hang on. There we go. Looks like a skunk to me. That's what I'm talking about. On the sexy shad. And it comes right out because I fished barbless. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. You're a nice looking little bass. Thank you so much. Getting that skunk off of me. Let's get you back in there, little buddy. Thank you for playing. Here you go. Come on, fishy, fishy. I need a big bass. Need a big bass before I go home. There goes one. Hell, he ain't big. But he's a bass. On the lipless. On the lipless. Woohoo! You are cold. Pretty little thing. I thank you for playing. Let's get you back in that water. Alright. I need one about 4 times that size. Fish on. Yeah, another small one. But that's 3. Right at the corner of the mouth. Pretty little bass. A lot of nice looking young bass in here. Alright, 2 for the crankbait and 1 for the cane top.